If you've always wanted to know how to make corn husks for tamales, you came to the right place. I'm going to show you how to make them. You're going to need corn ears like this. Green is fine. Dry is better. That way you don't have to dry them afterwards. But anyway, you can use it. You're going to cut right here with a serrated knife. Just make a cut all around. Start a little bit high. That way you can get them all, and then just slice them out like this. They come out very nicely. I'm gonna put them here, and then I'm gonna dry them because I'm not gonna use them right away. Even if they're green, you can use them right away. So again, just remove them like this. It's very easy. This way they're gonna be clean. You're not gonna know what went into them. The ones you buy at the store, you don't know if they have been sprayed or anything. So basically just cut again, just cut and find the edge where they meet, and then just pull it like this. They come out nicely. Again, there's another one, and let's take a picture right now.